guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing my Birkin 25 and show you guys what fits in the bag, so I hope you find this video helpful and please enjoy. This is the Hermes Bikin 25 in togo leather and color chai with a silver hardware. I've actually asked my sales associate for black just because I feel like you can't go wrong with black, and this is my first Birkin, so I wanted something a little bit more safe. But she asked if I'm interested in this color, which I wasn't too familiar with because I haven't seen this color anywhere. I would usually see the color gold, which she actually offered me too, but it was either between this and the gold. But when I saw the gold in person, I did love the color, but I wanted something a little bit more neutral, so I went with chai. I don't regret going with this color, but I probably would still want a black Birkin sometime in my lifetime. But I do love Birkin and I do love the togo leather because it has way more flexibility than the Cellier, and because of it, this bag fits way more than my Kelly 25. Also, the leather is more scratch resistant, so I think it's easier to wear. The features of this bag are the same as the Kelly. It has two compartments, one that's open and one with a zipper. It also comes with a clochette, which is in the back. I don't use it for the Birkin, I'm not sure why because I have it on my Kelly, but for this bag I like it with nothing on. If you want to use a clochette, you would just put it around your handle. It doesn't matter which side you want to put it on, but I think majority of the people like to put it on the front handle like this. You can close and lock the bag for security, but I think it's kind of a hassle to close the bag just because there's so many steps that you have to do. So I think most people will just leave it open, and that's pretty much what I do too. I also feel like when you do close the bag and lock it, it kind of dents in a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see, but I feel like that kind of ruins the shape of the bag. Moving on to what fits in my Birkin 25. It fits all my everyday bag essentials, my wallet, my pouch, hand lotion, mint, either my optical glasses or my sunglasses, but I can't fit both even with the case. I have my AirPods and some lip products. My wallet is not those thin card holders, it's just a smaller wallet, so I feel like it's pretty thick and good size. I also have another pouch that's pretty much the same size, so I wouldn't say anything that I carry in my bag is mini. I don't put my phone in the bags because that's usually in my hand or in my pocket, but one thing I did forget was my car keys, but that fits no problem. My friend recently gifted me this makeup case. I think it's for brushes, but I put my lip products in here and carry it with me just because one of my lip oils leaked in my other bag, so I use this to put my products and I've been loving it. I actually took this back to Paris and it was really useful because you can actually fit an entire water bottle in this bag and it still has space. This is a Kirkland water bottle. I think it's almost 17 ounces, but look how easily that fits. So I actually think this bag is quite perfect when you're traveling or even when you have kids too. I do see a lot of moms carry this size bag and I don't think it's too small for them either. I wanted to share some fits with this bag. The first outfit, I wore it in Paris, but I styled it differently this time around. When I wear these statement bags, I like to dress a little bit more casual and simple. This outfit is inspired by Elsa Hosk. I honestly thought the chai would be kind of hard to match, but I have no issues matching this color with my clothes. But that might be because I don't really have too many colors in my closet. This is the second outfit. I actually wore the same outfit when I filmed styling my Kelly 25, which I didn't realize until I was editing. But the good thing is that this outfit goes with this bag too. I just put on different heels to match the bag color. The bag actually does go with a lot of the outfits and colors. It doesn't have to be just black or beige. One bad thing about the bag is that this is not a shoulder bag and it does not come with any straps. You either hold it by the handle or you can put it on the nook of your arm, but it only fits on your arm when you're wearing something thin, but I wouldn't be able to put it over a thick jacket. Next outfit is another casual look. I wore white denim, but I think it would still look good with blue denim. I was just a little bit worried that the blue might stain the bag when I rub it against my jeans. But I think if you wear good quality denim, it will be okay, but that has happened to me before, so I just want to be careful. That is all for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and find it somewhat helpful. I will see you guys next time. Bye.